Data volumes keep growing, and your servers are running more jobs to keep up. Under that load, throughput and stability are usually the first things to slip. Astera Centerprise 11.2 targets exactly that. It reworks how jobs are submitted and purged, adds runtime controls you can tune per cluster, and changes how projects are deployed on server. Here are the 5 upgrades that make up Centerprise 11.2 release. First, job throughput. Astera now submits jobs in batches instead of one at a time. That cuts per job overhead and pushes more jobs through the queue under heavy load. Job purging has also changed. It runs against a partitioned repository, so clearing old job records no longer competes with the jobs still running. Second, cluster-level tuning. You can set buffer sizes, batch sizes, and flush intervals at the cluster level. They apply across file drop automation, job info, job queue, and job trace logging. Tune for throughput, for low latency, or for a memory-limited server. The defaults work. The controls are there when you need them. Third, exception logging. It's on by default now. That means the server writes a new log file each day and keeps the last 7, deleting older ones so the folder doesn't grow without limit. When a job fails, the detail is already there. Turn it off in server properties if you don't want it. Fourth, a new scheduler trigger called Watch Email Inbox starts a flow when an email with an attachment arrives. Previously, this was configured inside the data flow. The context info object now gives you the emails from, to, subject, and body, so you can route or branch on any of them. And SendMail can attach up to 5 files per message. Fifth, deployment. The whole project now deploys as one unit, instead of every flow one by one. That keeps versions consistent across the project. The catalog is on by default for every artifact, and the separate namespace and file name settings are gone. One project, one deploy. That's Centerprise 11.2. Higher job throughput, runtime controls you can tune, better logging, email-triggered flows, and single unit deployment. If you're upgrading, 2 things. You'll run a repository upgrade using the repository upgrade utility packaged with the installer, and you'll redeploy all your projects. Talk to the Astera team today about upgrading to 11.2.